Hello, good evening, everyone. Today we will do. In the last lecture, I taught you, alternate segment theorem. Today I will explain secant theorem. That is also called secant theorem. Listen, what is the secant theorem? If a tangent through the point of contact, you can draw the contact. You can draw the tangent to this point, but no, only just I need the point of contact. You can extend on one side only. Okay. So the theorem says if a tangent and a secant intersect each other externally. You can see tangent and secant. Okay. If a tangent and a secant intersect each other or meet each other externally, then the product of the segment of the chord, अब इसके segment क्या? What are the segment? Segment of this chord is what? DC and AC. It's okay. Then if a tangent and a secant meet each other externally, then BC square, that means square of tangent, is equal to the product of segment of the secant. That means DC multiplied by AC. We have to prove this. Okay, let's join this. Join this. In the alternate segment, we have studied that angle made, remember this, it's a chord. Okay, angle made between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle made by the chord in alternate segment. Okay, so you can see that is what is this? It's a chord. So therefore this angle is equal to what? This angle is equal to what? This angle is equal to this angle. Okay, this angle is equal to this angle. Now listen, we have to prove this. We have to prove this. Proof is what? Join. You can write the join BA. Okay, that is construction part. You can join them BA. Okay, proof is what? Angle D. Angle DBC. Angle DBC is equal to angle BAD. Angle BAD. Angle DBC, that is D. Angle DBC is equal to angle BAD. This angle. Now listen. In these two triangles, I am considering the triangles. Listen, I am considering the triangle BDC. Okay, now triangle BDC and triangle ABC. The whole triangle, the entire triangle, BDC and ABC. Angle C is equal to angle C is what? Common. Angle DBC is equal to angle BAC. Angle DBC is equal to angle ABC. Which rule? By angle rule. Okay. So by angle rule, by AA rule, this triangle DBC, I can write here. Triangle D, okay. BDC, you can write BDC. You can write BDC, okay. Triangle BDC is equal to what? BDC is equal to what? ABC. Similar to triangle ABC. BDC similar to triangle ABC. I think you know how to name the similarity, how to name similar triangles. Naming matters, many of the students don't know how to name. So be careful. I will tell you something about how to name similar triangles. In this triangle, I wrote here triangle BDC. I start from angle B. I start from this angle. I know this angle is equal to which angle? This angle. So I will start the name of other triangle by this, with this point. Okay, so therefore this angle is equal to this angle, and C was common, I name it in the last. C was common, I name it in the last. So therefore C will be written in the last in the name of the second triangle. It's okay. When you name the entire triangle, C will come in the last, because in the first naming C is appearing in the last. Okay, so that is the rule. So I can know BD upon AB, similar triangles, corresponding parts of similar triangles are equal. So therefore I can write BD over AB is equal to DC over BC is equal to BC over AC. Okay. Can I cross multiply? Yes. BC into BC square is equal to DC into AC. Okay. We have to prove that BC square is equal to DC into AC. We have proved BC square is equal to DC into AC. That is secant theorem. I hope you have understood. Okay. Okay, let me explain again. When a tangent and a secant meet each other externally, then the square of tangent, when, okay, if a tangent and a secant meet each other externally, then the square of tangent is equal to what? The square of tangent is equal to the segment of the, is equal to the product of the segment of the secant. Okay, square of tangent is equal to the product of the segment of the secant. So what are the segment of the secant? You know, this and this. These are the segments. It's okay. Very simple. Just prove these two triangles are similar. I think you know how to prove similar triangles by AA rule. You can see that AA rule is being applied here. So by using AA rule, we can say that triangle BDC similar to triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. It's okay. And by, you know, if triangles are similar, their corresponding parts are always in equal proportion. So, you know, I made a proportion, then by cross multiply, I got the answer. Okay. So that is secant theorem. Okay, I hope you understood. And goodbye. All the best. Okay. God bless you.